Okay, today is October 12 and Elion Cam is going to fly his huge 500
MD500.
MD 500 here at our beautiful Lake Kaliraya, where we have been here since yesterday. We had our camp there on top of the hill, and now we're going to make Ligpit, and this will be uh, Elion Cham's final flight for today. After
Recording?
3 months,
Is it
yeah, it's
recording?
been recording since yesterday.
Okay,
We'll be
let's fly.
okay. Any introduction, Mr. Elion Cham?
Okay, we're here. Chanbada?
Shandaba.
Chandaba. Ay,
Yeah.
nako, hirap yung visibility kasi yung araw nasa taas.
Oh, you go here on this side. Okay,
Hindi,
ladies and
balik.
gentlemen,
We'll just
we're
fly
going
low.
to
Low and slow.
rotate the blades
Dito ka, men, salpit ka.
and turn on the turbine. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. The MD500 is already in flight above the lake, Kaliraya Lake. There you go, very nice flight by Mr. Elion Cham. There you go. Whoa, 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 whoa. You're flying so low, Elion Cham. Okay, you go. People will be asking how high it flies. So give them a demo. Give them a demo, Elion Cham. Oh, where is it? Oh, there you go. So you can fly as high as you want, at least a kilometer away, to answer your questions, ladies and gentlemen. Very nice flight above the water by our pilot, Captain Elion Cham. This was our perfect spot for our car camping and RC boating and helicopter flying, and we will return to this spot, to this resort where they treated us so nicely for the last 2 days.
Pwede na.
Okay, so you ready to land? You had enough? That's a nose-in flying, ladies and gentlemen, by Mr. Elion Cham. Very nice. Oh, the pilot, the Captain Elion
Next time,
Cham.
we're going to install a float.
Oh, yes, yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, very nice.